how to make only my friends can invite me to private servers on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only my friends can invite me to private servers on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click test 3 points in the bottom corner and go down. Here you will find settings, click on it and then click privacy and go down. Here you will find it who can invite me to private servers. Click on it and select friends, and now only your friends can invite you to private servers. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.